Kasi yung support niyo ang tumutulong sa akin to keep going. Thank you guys. I love it. Grabe. I appreciate it talaga. Kinikilig nga ako every time that I saw the comments. I just didn't expect it. I really didn't. I was just like, what? So thank you guys. Oh, that's a good question. Hosting or acting? Pag tinatanong po kasi ako niyan, it's like my two different worlds. Kumbaga, sometimes you can't have both things at once, but I see it more of I can have two different worlds. And it's such a cool breather, although it's still within the industry. Acting is a different way for me to express my craft, my artistry. Hosting naman is a different way for me to express my passion and also a craft as well. So, two very different things, two very challenging things. So, ayun, I'm so thankful lang. Grabe epekto ng Canada. Sa lamig po ba ng Canada? Joke lang. Thank you. Nakatulog na po kasi ako eh. Ngayon, mawawala na yan soon. Yeah, ang dami na nangyari kasi ako na din nag-live. So, ayun, maraming salamat guys. Ano pa ba? Ano pa nangyari? Nung New Year, Happy New Year to all of us. Sana kumain po kayo ng grapes. Ako kumain ako. Hindi lang sa ilalong table, pero kumain ako. How was my first day on set of Born to Shine? It was great. I was working with the cast na, and they were working na for a while, so it was so cool just being there, feeling the environment out. So happy to be back. It's been a while since I did a serie. My Vertical was the last one, but that one it's back. It's that feeling is back, and I'm happy that masayan talaga ako sa ginagawa ko. How did your skills in hosting develop? I'll tell you how I started. I mean, yung hosting po talaga, nag-start po ako sa live streamer. That's why I was so always a bit more comfortable to talk on camera and stuff like that. Grabe nag-live ako on Kumu. That's why I started with PBB. And then on TikTok as well for 2 to 3 years. That's what really kickstarted me to move here. And then after that, my first ever hosting was on Unang Hirit. So the morning show on GMA. And then ayun, mas natuto ako bumasa ng prompter, ng spiels, mayroong ganon. So, ayun, I'm so happy. May filter ka ba, babyface? Wala po. And then after that, AOS din. And then recently lang talaga ako nabigyan ng opportunity to, I had a noontime show, yung Tahanang Pinakamasaya. And then yung Filipino Music Awards was the biggest opportunity I got in hosting. And it was so nerve-wracking. But, grabe, minsan kasi when you get put in a tough spot, I always say this. The moment that you are, let me change it lang. The moment that you are uncomfortable, that's how you know you will see change. Kasi that's where you get challenged, when you're outside of your comfort zone, right? So, I was for sure outside of my comfort zone nung FMAs kasi MOA Arena, and then the greatest faces of the music industry, the Philippine music industry. So, ayun, lala. So this song, oh yes, Bakit Titingin is out. Yeah, it's Sophia and Alan did a great job in that movie, and I'm just thankful to be a part of it. It's a good experience. I never expected myself to be a part of a horror movie, but yet I am. I barely watch kasi takutin ako. Ako po ay isang lais. I don't know kung Tagalog na rin Kenya, but I get scared, so ayun, I'm just happy. Bawa nyo na lang po, my character there's interesting. When's the cinema release? Soon to be announced. I think we'll announce it very soon. But soon, so stay tuned. I didn't see you in Vancouver. Sayang! Next time when I come back. Music. Hello, Angel. Hi, Angel. Sana hindi mapuno yung ano mo, storage. Title song? Sir Duke by Stevie Wonder. Good vibes, diba? Saw you in season 2 ng Running Man. Yeah, I was guested, I guessed it there. Sana kung mag-guesting man or magpa-audition ulit magpa-audition please. Gusto ko mag-season 3. My gosh. Ay, gusto naman kayo ni AZ. Briefly, she's so busy. I mean, everybody's busy talaga. Everybody's taping from PBB. So, I'm happy. Saan ko nabili yung relo ko? This is a Tissot, a PRX. I worked with Tissot and they gave me this watch. Ooh, thanks for the gift. Dino, thank you. So beautiful. Grabe. This was actually a watch that I've wanted for a while na. So, if you guys are looking at watches, good watch. Very, ano siya, versatile and very, matatag. Oo, Tagalog. Matatag ba siya? Matatag. Very, matibay yun. Music classic and love. Thank you, Heya. Ayan guys, I will end na. I will have dinner lang. I appreciate your guys' time. It's been a while. So I'm happy we got to catch up a bit. And I promise when I have time again, I will always try my best to go live and talk to you all. Maraming salamat. 2026, this is it. It's starting na. So thank you for all the love and support. I'll see you guys soon. Ingat kayo palagi. Good night. Bye-bye.
It's so nakakatamad.